She spoke about her mother being the midwife. Her mother was the comedian and the midwife in the town.
The comedian and
the comedian. My grandmother had a tremendous sense of humor. And one of the things that she's really writing about my grandmother, it's called Grandmother, and this is about my grandmother, de Baba. Von mein Shtetl Telachan Lebenpinsk. Child, why are you crying? The anxious mother asks. The evil eye must have found you. That is probably so. Grandmother kisses the child's head and quietly murmurs the incantation and quickly wards off the evil eye. The child has fallen, got a bump on his head. Grandmother comes quickly, no need for thought. Be it the head or the forehead, the method is standard. She takes the flat of a dull knife and presses it hard against the swelling. The child has cut himself, be it a foot or a hand. Grandma grabs a cobweb from a corner of the wall and stretches it tightly to cover the wound. This should heal you, my child, make you all well. And wherever anyone lies ill, dear, kind Grandma comes running to the bedside. It doesn't matter to her if the illness is serious or only a mild attack. She immediately places Bankis cups on the ailing patient's back.